Number. How to make plural from singular. In English. Case 1. Add s at the end of a noun. Like pen, pens, book, books, house, houses, tree, trees, spoon, spoons, drum, drums. Case 2. If the noun ends with ch, s, sh, x, or z, then add es at the end. Like ass, asses, bush, bushes, bench, benches, fox, foxes, topaz, topazes, inbox, inboxes. Case 3. If the noun ends with o, add es at the end. Like mango, mangoes, buffalo, buffaloes, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, torpedo, torpedoes. Case 4. If the noun ends with y and letter before y is vowel, then add s at the end. Like boy, boys, toy, toys, bay, base, ray, race, key, keys, monkey, monkeys. Case 5. If the noun ends with y and letter before y is a consonant, then replace y with I and add es. Like fly, flies, baby, babies, lady, ladies, city, cities, army, armies, sky, skies. Case 6. If the noun ends with f or fe, then replace it with v and add es. Like life, lives, wife, wives, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, knife, knives. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more information. See you again. Till then, goodbye.